Please start preparing for your summer internship. Yeah, from now on. Because it will matter at the time of your final placement. Please be specific which industry you want to get in. If you are getting from the campus, go ahead. If you are not getting it, try from your seniors, try from your placement departments. Most of the companies have summer internship, but be sure that they don't pay, but you get a good learning outcome from those companies. This is how you make good report. Don't throw away your data. It's very important. Keep all your presentations, keep all the things which you get from college. These will work. I also used to think at the time of my class, what is the use of doing this OB? What's the use of doing this things? But it matters. When you get into corporate world, there will be a lot of politics, a lot of backstabbing. People, if you are not willing to do also, you will get involved in all those things. So it happens a lot. So be very much good with your data. Land a summer internship. At the time of final placement, be very much sure in which industry you want to go. Most of the time what happens is, if at the time of summer internship you are ready to, you will get a job offer from that company itself at that time, which I got it from people from the sales department. But again, I didn't want to get into telecom, so I preferred this. Be specific. I was very much sure that I wanted to get in sales. I wanted to have marketing profile. See, marketing does not mean you will get a job sitting in the office and all. You have to move out in the field. What I have to do is I have to get out from the office at 11 and I can't get back to the office till 5 in the evening. For the entire day I have to be out. Whether I have meetings planned, I have no meetings planned, but you can't sit in the office. Whether it's heat, whether it's winter, whether it's raining, you have to do this and you have to be out. So this is the thing which happens. But again, we enjoy it because we have to interact with lots of people. We are coming across new people every day, new experiences every day. These all things matter. While at the time of final placement also, be very clear which profile you want to go in, because most of the people don't stay in the same company for more than 6 years, 6 months or 7 months. They get frustrated and they change. But again, changing is not the only option. Whether if your boss is rude at this place, you can't be 100% sure that your boss at the other company will be very good. So you have to get into the situation, how the things are happening. Every day some new conflicts will happen. I was coming with ma'am and I told her that today in the morning I have a conflict with one of my colleagues from Mumbai. Pura mood spoiled also. So happens. You can't ignore this. This is part and parcel of the business. You have to interact, you have to get scolded. I have got scolded from many of the guests as well. Thanks to Sunati, guest has also not left because in the morning we do morning PR at the time of breakfast. We go and meet the guests about their feedback and all. So they also feel personalized that okay, this guy comes to meet me, this person knows me in this hotel. So they also like to come back to the same company again and again. They prefer, okay, people knows me, just give him a call and he will book my room. This hotel is good, people know me. So cooperate basically. Again, if you people will plan to go for any vacations and all, go through the TripAdvisor review of any hotel. If you are going to any city, go through TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor review is very good. All the authentic reviews are there. People who used to stay and who has stayed put their feedback in the TripAdvisor, and accordingly the rank of the hotel is allotted in the city. So be sure about this also. People also put photos. You get to look, okay, what kind of hotel is this? What all happens here? So this is how it works. And you can contact me as well if you want any help. I am always there for you guys. Thank you so much for calling me.